Anna, I hear that you took the train across Russia.
Yes. I started in Moscow, traveled through Russia, Mongolia, and ended up in China.
Wow! That's a long way.
Yes, it was. It took 3 weeks. I did it as part of a tour with 10 other people.
Man, that's a cool trip. That must have cost a lot of money.
It did cost a lot of money, but not a lot of people can say they have done that. I researched the trip several months before I actually took it. A friend and I did it together, and there was one other American, and the rest of the people were from Switzerland.
Okay. Cool. What was the landscape like?
A lot of it was flat, and for miles around you could see absolutely nothing. As you got into Siberia, there were scattered trees. When we got into Mongolia, you could see some camels every once in a while, but besides that there was a whole lot of nothing.
Wow! Just wild camels.
Wild camels around the drinking hole. Yes, saw that more than once.
So how did you eat on this train?
We stopped several times along the way, and upon every platform you could buy food that local people were selling. A lot of it consisted of dried fish and other types of Russian delicacies, and a lot of noodles that you heated up with hot water. Every train had hot water on it on every carriage, so you were always able to make noodles if you were desperate.
So was this a luxurious train or was it a pretty basic?
It was pretty much the most basic you could get. There were no animals on board, but sometimes they were coal-heated, so it was very basic.
Wow! Would you do it again?
Great question. Would I do it again? Yes, I would do it again, but I would wait several years to do it. 1, because it does cost a lot of money, and 2, because there are many other things to do, to see.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Anna.
You are very welcome.
Carrie, I heard you have a new house.
Yes, I do.
Oh, so what's your new house like?
It's small, it's old. It's mostly wooden in the inside. It has 2 bedrooms and a balcony off of those rooms. Downstairs, there's like a living room area and a tatami mat room, kitchen, bathroom.
Wow, so do you live in the tatami mat room?
No, there's 2 tatami mat rooms. There's one upstairs and there's one downstairs, and I don't live in either. One we use as kind of a spare room, and the other one is my roommate's bedroom.
Oh, okay. So you have a roommate?
Yes.
What's it like having a roommate?
It's good. I like living alone too, but sometimes it's nice to come home and have someone there. My roommate gets home before I do, and she likes to cook, so often she's cooked dinner for me.
Wow, that's nice.
I know.
Well, you do all the cleaning?
Now that you mention it, I do a lot of the cleaning, but not all of it.
Oh, okay. Well, what kind of things does she make you?
Last night she made curry. I think it was a Pakistani curry, tomato base.
Spicy?
Yes,
Cool. Thanks a lot, Carrie.
you are welcome.
I am in a trouble. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Can I help you with anything? You know, James, I did not attend many of my classes due to which I could not pay full attention to the syllabus, and now I am having trouble understanding these lessons. Exams are also knocking at the door. I see you are in really big trouble. In this case, I was quite lucky as I maintained discipline with the class attendant and attended the classes on time. Really, you did a good job. Now I can understand that I made a big mistake. I thought I would cover all my lessons through the academy before the exams, but even there my syllabus could not be covered, because the previous chapters were not covered in the academy and I fell behind. It is really unfortunate that you have made a big mistake. If we want to do well in our exams, we must maintain strict discipline in our student life, have a love relationship with education, and be responsible. Parents and teachers trust us. Never recognize the hurt. You are right. I did not even prepare my practical papers on time. I don't know how to prepare them all within that time. Now I am hopeless. I feel sorry for you. If you had completed everything with discipline, you would not have been in this situation. I can now understand the importance of discipline in a student's life. Yes, discipline is very important in a student's life. You must not forget it. Yes, that is absolutely true. Student life is the best time to develop the habit of discipline, man. What should I do now? Please give me some useful advice so that I can strengthen my grip on the subjects before the exam. Don't worry, I have notes in some previous papers. You prepare them, and for practical watch science subject tutorials on the YouTube channel. It will give you guidance. Thank you. I follow your advice and prepare hard before the exams. Why don't we plan together to study together for a few days? It will motivate me and help me to overcome my weaknesses. I will try. Of course. I will make time for you tomorrow and come in the evening, and we will memorize the subjects together.